Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel. And today I will be teaching you how to post high quality videos on Instagram without losing quality. So let's begin right away. The very first step is to make sure that your Instagram app is up to date. If not, please go to the App Store or the Google Play Store and update your Instagram app. Once you have done updating your Instagram app, just simply open it, and then once you are here, simply click on your profile found on the lower right corner, click on the three lines found on the upper right corner, click on settings, click on account, and then click on data usage. Once you are here, make sure to turn off the Use Less Cellular Data option by clicking on the toggle button on the rightmost part. So you may know that it has been turned off if the toggle button is turned into gray and not green. And then make sure also to turn on high quality uploads. So click on the toggle button as well. And the indication for this option that has been turned on is that the toggle button will turn blue instead of gray. So what does this option do? This high quality uploads option will upload a higher quality videos using your cellular or your Wi-Fi. And then additional processing time may be required due to larger file sizes. So what this means is that it will use more data and time since it will upload a larger file for a higher quality video or post. So that's it. That's how you can post high quality videos on Instagram without losing quality. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.